Dr. Joanette here, your longevity expert and the creator of the Longevity Switch. Have you ever wanted to grow herbs inside, but you don't have a sunny window or any place with enough light that will let them thrive? Today's tip is a game changer, and I am going to show you how you can grow herbs in any room of your house, anywhere, even a room that doesn't have windows. All you need is a light fixture with several light bulbs in it. What you want to do is remove the light bulbs that are in it. And it can be regular light bulbs or candelabra light bulbs like these here. And you are going to replace them with some grow lights. That's right, they do make grow lights, either candelabra style or regular style. If you want to get these grow lights, scroll down to the link below and you will be able to find a link that will take you out to where you can purchase these grow lights. And they do come in this candelabra style or a regular bulb style. And just pop them into your light fixture. There we go. We got one in. Now you just have to turn on the switch and your herbs, they're going to thrive and love all that extra sunlight from your grow light bulbs. This plant has been growing underneath these grow lights now for a number of weeks, and I have been regularly cutting it, in part to keep it pruned and also to give me fresh basil for all of the things that I want to cook. Marinara sauce or tomatoes with fresh basil. How about tomatoes caprese? There are so many things that you can use your fresh herbs for when you're growing them under a grow light. You can grow them all year round. I hope you enjoyed this quick and simple tip. For more recipes about using herbs in your cooking and in your culinary creations, go to my website at growwithdrjoanette.com. And don't forget, click that like button, like and subscribe. And we'll see you next time on the Dr. Joanette channel.